Hey everyone. If you want to add images and videos in Behance in 2026, like showcasing your design work, animations, or portfolio projects, this video is for you. I'll show you step by step how to do it properly. First, open Behance and log in using your email or your Adobe account. You need an account to upload anything. Next, create a new project or open an existing one. This is where you will add your media. Now upload your images like PNGs, JPEGs, or mockups. You can simply drag and drop them into the project editor. After that, arrange your images in a clean order. Start with cover image, then process, then final result for better presentation. Next, add videos by uploading directly or embedding from platforms like YouTube or Vimeo. This makes your project more dynamic. Now place your video in the right section of your project. Usually after the process or as the final showcase. After that, add captions or descriptions under your images and videos. This helps viewers understand your creative work. Finally, preview your project before publishing. Check image quality and make sure videos play correctly. So yeah, that's how you add images and videos in Behance in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and you can build a professional portfolio easily. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more design tutorials for beginners. Hey everyone!